Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding sample paper for the preparation of entrance exam for Master of Public Health MPH and Master of Hospital Administration MHA for various university and institutes like JIPMER, Pondicherry, Nimhans, Bangalore, Common University in Trent, CUT PG, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Kanpur, ICMR Bhubaneswar, Indian Institute of Public Health IIPS, Punjab University, Lucknow University, Savitribai Phule Pune University, and for all other university and institutes which conducts public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So here first question is, in the last video we have covered from question number 1 to 10. So in this video we will start from question number 11. Here first question is question number 11. Hepatitis is an example of. Hepatitis is an example of. Options are A. Subunit vaccine, B. Killer vaccine, C. Toxoids vaccine, D. Recombinant vaccine. Correct answer is option D. Recombinant vaccine. So hepatitis is an example of recombinant vaccine. Hepatitis is an example of recombinant vaccine. Its explanation is recombinant influenza flu vaccines are produced using recombinant technology. This method does not require an egg-grown vaccine virus and does not use chicken eggs in the production process. Currently, the recombinant flu vaccines and the cell culture based flu vaccines are the only egg-free flu vaccines licensed for use in the United States. So hepatitis is an example of recombinant vaccine. Next question is question number 12. Which of the following statements is true about the immunoglobulin M of humans? Which of the following statements is true about the immunoglobulin M of humans? Options are A. Immunoglobulin M can cross the placenta. Option B. Immunoglobulin M can protect the mucosal surface. Option C. Immunoglobulin M is produced by high affinity plasma cells. Option D. Immunoglobulin M is primarily restricted in the circulation. Correct answer is option D. Immunoglobulin M is primarily restricted in the circulation. So immunoglobulin M is primarily restricted in the circulation. This statement is true about the immunoglobulin of humans. Immunoglobulin is primarily restricted in the circulation. This statement is true about the immunoglobulin of humans, and option A, B and C, that is immunoglobulin M can cross the placenta, immunoglobulin M can protect the mucosal surface, immunoglobulin M is produced by high affinity plasma cells. These statements are not true about immunoglobulin M of humans. Next question is, so here the statement immunoglobulin M is primarily restricted in the circulation. This statement is true about the immunoglobulin of humans. Its explanation is immunoglobulin M IgM M is one of several isotypes of antibody, also known as immunoglobulin, that are produced by vertebrates. Immunoglobulin M is the largest antibody and it is the first antibody to appear in the response to initial exposure to an antigen. Next question is 13. Interferons are options are A. Cytokine barriers, B. Physical barriers, C. Cellular barriers, D. Physiological barriers. Correct answer is option A. Cytokine barriers. So interferons are cytokine barriers. Interferons are cytokine barriers. Its explanation is Interferons are a group of signaling proteins made and released by host cell in response to the presence of several viruses. In a typical scenario, a virus infected cell will release interferons, causing nearby cells to heighten their antiviral defenses. So interferons are cytokine barriers. Next question is 14. NRHM seeks to strengthen. NRHM seeks to strengthen. Options are A. Private health care system. B. Public and private health care system. C. Public health care system. D. None of these. Correct answer is option C. Public health care system. So NRHM seeks to strengthen public health care system. Its explanation is public health system across nations is a conglomeration of all organized activities that prevent disease, prolong life and promote health and efficiency of its people. Indian healthcare system has been historically dominated by provisioning of medical care and neglected public health. 11.9% of all maternal deaths and 18% of all infant mortality in the world occurs in India, ranking it the highest in the world. So NRHM seeks to strengthen public health care system. Next question is 15. RCH stands for. RCH stands for. Options are A. Reproductive and child health. B. Reproductive child health. C. Researching child households. D. None of these. So correct answer is option A. Reproductive and child health. So RCH stands for reproductive and child health. Its explanation is reproductive and child health. RCH reproductive and child health program. RCH Mizoram. A introduction health and family welfare program started in India in 1951 with the National Family Planning Program. The family planning program focused mainly on terminal methods with a view to control over population growth. Question number 16 is which of the following cells of the immune system do not perform phagocytosis? Which of the following cells of the immune system do not perform phagocytosis? Options are A. Macrophage, B. Neutrophil, C. Eosinophil, D. Basophil. Correct answer is option D. Basophil. So here question is which of the following cells of the immune system do not perform phagocytosis? So basophil cells of the immune system do not perform phagocytosis. Its explanation is phagocytosis to eat and Cotto's cell is the process by which a cell uses its plasma membrane to engulf a large particle, giving rise to an internal compartment called phagosome. It is one type of endocytosis. A cell that performs phagocytosis is called a phagocyte. Question number 17 is monocytes differentiate into which kind of phagocytic cells? Monocytes differentiate into which kind of phagocytic cells? Options are A. Neutrophil, B. Beta B cell, C. Macrophage, D. T cell. Correct answer is option C. Macrophage. So monocytes differentiate into macrophage kind of phagocytic cells. Monocytes differentiate into macrophage kind of phagocytic cells. Its explanation is macrophage M1 phenotype is characterized by increased secretion of pro-inflammatory cytokines and licensed glycolytic activities essential for clearance of infection. Leishmaniasis upon phagocytosis by a macrophage. The Leishmania parasite finds itself in a phagocytic vacuole. Question number 18 is reproductive and child health was launched in which year? Reproductive and child health was launched in which year? Options are A. 1992 to 1993, B. 1997 to 98, C. 2005 to 2006, D. 2012 to 13. Correct answer is option B. 1997 to 98. Reproductive and child health was launched in 1997 to 1998. Its explanation is RCH reproductive and child health. RCH is an acronym for reproductive and child health. It is a program that aims at combating and reducing the mortality rates of mothers, infants and children, and was launched in October 1997. Question number 19 is QALY quali means. Options are A. Quality adjusted life year, B. Quantity adjusted life year, C. Quality accredited long youth, D. None of these. Correct answer is option A. Quality adjusted life year. So QALY quali means quality adjusted life year. QALY quali means quality adjusted life years. Its explanation is the quality adjusted life year or quality adjusted life year QALY is a generic measure of disease burden including both the quality and the quantity of the life lived. It is used in economic evaluation to assess the value of medical interventions. Next question is 20. Externality refers to options are A. Third party effect, B. Inclusive growth, C. Social exclusion, D. None of these. Correct answer is option A. Third party effect. Externality refers to third party effect. So externality refers to third party effect. Its explanation is a side effect or consequence of an industrial or commercial activity that affects other parties without the being reflected in the cost of the goods or service involved, such as the pollination of surrounding crops by bees kept for honey. So in this video, information regarding sample paper for Master of Public Health and Master of Hospital Administration has been given for various university and institutes, MPH, MHA and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.